So in this video I'm going to be installing a carbon fiber rear diffuser that I purchased online. So there's the OEM diffuser, and right here is the carbon fiber one. Looks pretty nice in my opinion. Design is completely changed as well. So let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks currently. It's just a matte finished gray color. So there are 6 8mm bolts. You got 2 right there. 1, 2. You got these 2 right here. You got 1 right there. And then you get 1 all the way over there. So I'm using 5/16, but they are 8mm as well. So you're going to want to grab it by the edge, the corner of the diffuser, and then you're going to give it some pressure. And it should pop out like that. And then you can pull out that side. There you go. And I'll just show you what the clips look like first, so you have an idea of what to expect. And
put your hand on the back. That's good.
so you have 10 of these clips all around. 2. Fairly easy to remove if you just give it a little bit of pressure. If you get one hand on the back and then hold it from the front so it doesn't fly out in your face. So here's a side-by-side comparison of them both. So it did come with these few screws, but let's see. I plan on using the original screws to put this on, but let's see. So when putting the diffuser on, you're gonna want to line up each of the clips with the holes you see right there. Each clip has its own hole where you could line it up. So I did get the diffuser on, and only 1 of 6 screws went into its respective hole. The other holes do not line up. I'll show you. So this screw right here that I put in here, that's the original hole on the left, and I couldn't force it to go to the original hole, so I just put that screw there, and it's put some tension on the diffuser so it doesn't move out of place, but it's missing a single hole, and I've tried forcing these to go into place and it does not, and I will be zip tying this in place temporarily, and this screw went into the hole, but it does stick out a bit, so I might have to completely drill new holes in the carbon fiber or leave it as is. Not really sure what I'm going to do.